Learning is Liya Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov. Masechus Kesubos Perikei Mishna Vav. Hamader sister metasher shamita. If someone makes a neder against his wife that he is not going to have any ana from tashmish from her, if he would use the words the other way around, that you can't have ana from me, it wouldn't be chal such a neder because he has a chiv oina to her. So the words that he uses is, I won't have ana from you. Beishamei oimrim shtei shabbosos. For 2 weeks, if he is mader her for 2 weeks, then we won't force him to divorce her because we find that a yeledes nekeva is tmei shvuayim and they are not together for 2 weeks. Beisilo emrim Shabbos achas. Even after 1 week, already the halacha would be yoytze v'yitin ksuva. We would force him to divorce her and pay her the ksuva, and he learns it out from a nida, which is only 1 week. Talmidim who learn in the yeshiva could leave their wife shaloi b'shus, and they don't have to worry about the chi of oina, but only for 30 days, and poyalim only for 1 week. The Gemara brings a shita d'Rabbanan that argue that even for 2 or 3 years, the talmidim could leave their wife without rishus. The last chelik of the Mishnah tells us the chi of oina for different types of people. Hatayalin, which the maskana of the Gemara is mefanki de marava, people that were mu'uchalan and mu'uganim, they had a lot of kayach, so them, the chi of oina is b'chol yom. Hapayalim, those that work in the city, is shtayim b'Shabbos, is twice a week. Hachamarim, people that drive, they leave the city, they drive the donkeys, is achas b'Shabbos, is once a week. Hagamalim is achas l'shoshim yoyim, is once every 30 days. They go further away from the city. And hasafanim, the people who ride the boats, which is even farther away from the city, so their chi of oina is only achas l'shisha chadash, and once in 6 months. Divrei Rebbe Eliezer. The Gemara asked a question that in the beginning of the Mishnah we said that the maximum time, according to Beis Hillel, was Shabbos achas. Afterwards, if someone makes a neder, is yetziv yiting ksuva. And here you see at the end of the Mishnah that many types of groups of people of oina is much less often than once a week. So the Gemara answers, because over here they have the capability. Mishi yeshlei pas b'saloi so in the beginning of the Mishnah, by him making a neder, so now it's not pas b'saloi, that's worse. Mishnah Zayin, Hamiredes al Baila, if a Isha is moired on her husband. So in the Gemara there's 2 shitas, either she's moired from Tashmish, or the second shita is that she's moired me melacha, that she's not going to do melacha. The other man Amar held that no, Yichayil Isha Leimer la Baila, like we had in the last Mishnah, so that's not considered a Miredes. So what's the halacha if she's Miredes? He pays her less of a ksuva, shiva dinarim b'Shabbos, 7 dinarim a week. In other words, each day he pays her 1 less dinar. Rabbi Yehuda Omer shiva trapikin is a half a dinar. Amasei hu peiches, until how much less does he go? Ad kineged ksuvasa, until he has 0 remaining on his chi of ksuva, but he doesn't go any less than that, according to the Tanakama. Rabbi Yossi Omer, no, he goes even less than that. La'olam hu peiches v'hoilech. Shema tipa lo Yerusha mimakom achar goy v'emena, that if she would have a Yerusha mimakom achar, he would be able to collect that money as a fine for her being meredes. V'chein, the other way around, hamoyred al ishta, if he is moyred on his wife from Tashma Shamita. So then, Maisifin la al ksuvasa shleisha dinarim b'Shabbos. We add on to her ksuva 3 dinarim a week. Rabbi Yehuda Omer shleisha trapikan, which is half of that. Over here, it's less than 7. So the Gemara says because the tsar of the ish is more than the tsar of the isha. Just an interesting thing, this that we say that the man has to pay 3 trapikan according to Rabbi Yehuda, the Gemara says that that's 9 ma, and it's a ma and a half for each day of the week. So it comes out the isha was paying 7, was every day of the week we kinast her. But the man, we only kinast him 6 days a week and not the 7th day. So the Gemara says that the reason is because she is a deduction. She's losing from her ksuva, so it's not mechzik ischar Shabbos. But since he's paying her, so that will be mechzik ischar Shabbos, so we don't kinast him for the day of Shabbos. So it's 6 days a week only that we kinas him amma v'chetzi each day.